Dear students, on day 9 of English speaking course, let's learn about shortened words, and we can also call them contractions. Let's take some easy examples. BECAUSE, because. And what is the shortened word for because? CUZ, cuz. I will not eat cuz I am not hungry. मैं नहीं खाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं भूखा नहीं हूँ. I will not play cuz I am not interested. मैं नहीं खेलूंगा क्योंकि मुझे कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है. And you will reply me in the chat box when you are done. Ira Sabza, done sir. Okay, thank you. I got your reply in the chat box. What about other students? Sahil Singh Theory. Done. Okay, very good. Jania John. I've written. Shirat Manzoor. Done, sir. What about other students? Hamid Wani. I wrote. Okay, my dear students, let's have another example. WANT, want to. And its contracted form is wanna. I wanna go to school. मैं स्कूल जाना चाहता हूँ. I wanna go to play. मैं खेलने जाना चाहता हूँ. I wanna go to home. मैं घर जाना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ. I wanna go to airport. मैं एयरपोर्ट जाना चाहता हूँ. I wanna go to picnic. मैं पिकनिक जाना चाहता हूँ. Okay, you are replying me in the chat section. Done, I have finished. I got your chats in the chat box. Let's learn one more example. KINDOF, kind of. Its contracted form is kinda. KINDA, kinda. I'm kinda busy, so wait for 10 minutes. मैं थोड़ा busy हूँ. 10 मिनट के लिए आप इंतज़ार कीजिए. Are you enjoying these kinds of words? Okay, very good. Almost all of the students are really interested in learning new kinds of words. Okay, thank you. Example number 4. CANNOT, cannot. And its contracted form is, or short form is, can't. Can't. I can't forget. मैं भूल नहीं सकता. I can't play. मैं खेल नहीं सकता या सकती. I can't drink. मैं पी नहीं सकती या पी नहीं सकता. I can't go to home. मैं घर नहीं जा सकता. Okay, I got your chat in the chat box right now. You are doing phenomenal job, my dear students. Keep it up.